So, just that little memory of watching Rich show me how to invariate keys before they get stored in the memory, because I got that one. If you invariate a key, one key counts as many keys. So then you can get away with less records in your memory. And it learns like that much faster. So with a bit of a key sort, I can get the key responding to all perpendicular angles. And there's this other thing I have to do, and I have to make sure when I get the near neighbour, I have to get the neighbour on the other side and the top and the bottom, the left and the right, all surrounding the key. Because then I get the loaded sum, and then I get the interpolated output, not just the output on the single key. That way it sort of counts as a continuous output space, not just contiguously with the key locations. And so, what are you gonna? I just gotta finish the memory today, and then we'll add that to it later. You should get the 3D TV, and sort of bit of a bummer about 3D TV. It's not as popular as you think. 3D TV. No. Sort of just gets sort of the piss taken out of it for a few reasons. So holograms aren't really that big, but they're kind of special anyway. So this 3D TV is, you probably could try and sell it, but you might not get many people buying it. So I don't know, but is it cool to have? Yeah, it's really cool. You make lots of funny little videos on the internet with it. You make a little funny videos with a 3D camera. 3D TV. If you can convert 2D signal to 3D signal, it lets you make all this weird shit as well. This weird crap.